Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today, wait. Okay. So today we're making another video. This video is gonna be about how to make slime. So what you need is soap. We have a little bit. Oh wait, I have. Wait, this is a new one. I'm gonna use this one. So, and you need soap. Whatever kind of soap will work. Salt, a spoon, and glitter. So first let's start about soap. Okay, I'm gonna use the other one. Okay, like that. How much soap you put in is how much salt you're gonna get. The next one is glitter. No, wait, salt. Put a little bit. Then mix it. If it doesn't work, use a different type of soap. Or, I don't know. Then glitter. Let me open this. Oh god. Oh my god, I put it in the wrong direction. Oh. Oh my god. Glitter melting. Let me dry my hands. Okay, now. Okay, so go. Okay. Oh gosh. And my hair too. Barely get out of school. Wait, let me see what Aaron said. 4:06. So got the glitter in. Doesn't work. Add baking soda. It doesn't work. I haven't made, like, every time I make slime it doesn't work. So I hope every time, like, when I make YouTube videos it doesn't work, so I need to redo the videos. So you know what I'm talking about.